Ever wished your Word document could do your research for you? Imagine writing an essay and instantly getting academic sources that match your topic without leaving Word. That's exactly what Keenious Research Explorer does. In this tutorial, I will show you how to install it, use it, and get the most out of it. Let's dive in. Keenious is an AI-powered research tool that lives inside Microsoft Word. As you write, it analyzes your content and recommends relevant academic papers, articles, and studies, all in real time. No more switching tabs or manually searching databases. It's perfect for students writing essays, researchers drafting papers, or anyone who wants faster, smarter research. To install Keenious, open Microsoft Word, click on Get Add-ins. In the search bar, type Keenious. Click Add and it will install directly into your Word ribbon. Once installed, open a document and start writing. Click the Keenious icon in the ribbon. It will scan your text and show research suggestions in the sidebar, including titles, abstracts, and links to full papers. You can filter by relevance, topic, or publication dates. It's like having a research assistant built into Word. Keenious shines when you are writing academic content, whether it's a literature review or research proposal. It helps you find credible sources fast. Here's a productivity tip. Write a few sentences first before activating Keenious. The more context it has, the better the suggestions. Keenious is powerful, but it is not a replacement for deep research. It works best with general academic topics. For highly technical subjects, you might still need to use databases like Google Scholar and the rest. Keenious is a game changer for academic writing. If you are a student or researcher, give it a try. It's free and easy to use. If this tutorial helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share with your friends. More MS Office tips are coming your way. This is Banks Tech, and you wouldn't want to miss my next upload.